another one of our GT special editions based on the Retro 70s, again with white roll bar, white chin bar, white letters, Shelby style striping in performance blue, Seeker Raptor GT edition with extra wide Fedra 305 tyres on deep dish alloys with lift kit, colour coded arches, side steps in black, full D chrome, privacy glass. There's mirror covers to go on yet on the chrome bits, but they're on order, so they'll be on. What a beautiful looking car. This is for sale for $19.95 plus VAT. You can have it in any colour you want if you want to bespoke. You can have it white, black, blue, whatever you want, red. We've got choices. This one's on 42,000 mile. 15,000 over 5 years will be $299 a month. We'll take instant part exchange, nationwide delivery. We are now the UK's largest pickup dealer for styling. We do Merc, Ford, SsangYong, Isuzu, obviously Ford. So we do all the range. Nissan, we do tungstens. Give us a call, come and see us. We've got over 40 in stock. Thank you.